Today's featured car of the day is a 1962 Ford Thunderbird Sports Roadster. This beautiful car was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it only bid to $35,000, which is a bit of a head scratcher, or it's a real head scratcher, actually. I don't know why it only went that low, but it did have a bad number, so it was just the luck of the draw. And unfortunately, he drew the wrong number as it went through the auction at the wrong time when no buyers were there. So that's why it only went to that price. But the owner, the consignor, his description was totally restored convertible, power windows, swing away steering column, power seats, both driver and passenger, air conditioner, tinted glass, 3 owners since new. It had the 390 engine and a Concours restoration, which it was. It was a beautiful car done to a very high standard. Unfortunately, it had to sit outside for 3 days in the dusty desert air there. With that probably didn't help matters any when he came to pick it up. But anyway, the car was fully loaded. It had every option available except for the tri-power, and they only made 120 of those. This particular one, they made 1,427 of the sports roadsters. So this one was a beauty, though. In case you're wondering, this is the third generation of the Ford Thunderbird, and it ran from 1961 through 1963. And they sold 214,375 total for all 3 years. And 1962 being the best-selling year, 78,011, and 61, 73,051. 1963, it was 63,313 sold. Now, as far as the numbers for the 1962 model year, they sold 7 of the 78,011, 9,884 were convertibles, and as I mentioned earlier, 1,427 were the sports roadster model. So it was a pretty rare car for the sports roadsters. In 1963, the last year for the sports roadster, it wasn't available in 61. In 63, they sold 455 sports roadsters. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1962 Ford Thunderbird sports roadster. Oh, I forgot to mention, Elvis Presley bought one of the first ones that Ford made. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.